If you're having trouble finding motivation to work out, I want you to do this exercise with me. It's called the why exercise. The first thing I want you to do is write down your goal. Whatever your goal is, example, I want to get stronger, I want to lose weight, I want to eat healthier. Once you have that goal written down, I want you to ask yourself, why? Why do you want to achieve this goal? For example, if your goal is to get stronger, why? Well, it's because I want to walk longer and I want to be able to carry things without getting tired so easily. Now I want you to ask yourself why a second time. Why is that important to you? Well, it's because I have kids and they're toddlers now and they run so fast. I want to be able to play with them and have fun outdoors. Now I want you to ask yourself why one more time. Why is that so important to you? Well, it's because I want my children to grow up to be healthy and active. I don't want them to go through the same struggles as I am. And I want to be a good role model to them as well. That's the exercise. Find your goal and ask yourself why 3 times. Write it down and keep it close to your heart. This is your motivation. This is the reason why you're going to stay disciplined on your toughest days when you don't feel like getting up and working out. Think of those reasons, think of your whys, and keep going.